Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Are you working hard but still struggling to stay afloat financially? You're not alone. With rising costs, stagnant wages, and unexpected expenses, it's easy to feel trapped in a never-ending cycle of debt and uncertainty. The stress of financial struggles can be overwhelming, but here's the truth. You don't have to stay stuck. The longer you wait to take control of your finances, the harder it gets. That's why in this video, we're cutting straight to the solutions. We'll break down practical, proven strategies to help you escape financial stress, from smart budgeting hacks to effective saving techniques. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn things around and start building lasting financial security. So, if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and take control of your financial future, stick with us, because your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Number 1, identifying the root causes of financial struggles. Understanding why you might be facing financial distress is the first step toward making meaningful changes. One common reason is poor budgeting. Many individuals fail to track their income and expenses, leading to overspending and unexpected shortfalls. Another significant factor is a lack of financial education. Without the knowledge of how to manage money effectively, it's easy to fall into traps like high-interest debt or inadequate savings. Impulse spending also plays a crucial role. Those spontaneous purchases can quickly add up and derail even the best-laid financial plans. Take a moment to reflect on your own financial habits. Are you aware of where your money goes each month? Do you find yourself making unplanned purchases that strain your budget? Recognizing these patterns is essential for growth. By understanding the root causes of your financial struggles, you can implement effective solutions tailored to your situation. This awareness empowers you to make informed decisions, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Let's explore these issues further and discover how to overcome them together. Number 2, creating a realistic budget. Creating a practical budget is essential for achieving financial stability, and it starts with accurately tracking your income and expenses. Begin by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, side gigs, and any passive income. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed costs, like rent and utilities, and variable costs, such as groceries and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. To streamline the budgeting process, consider using tools and apps designed for this purpose. Popular options like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can help you monitor your spending, set financial goals, and even send alerts when you're nearing your budget limits. However, creating a budget is only half the battle. Sticking to it is crucial for financial success. Make it a habit to review your budget regularly and adjust as needed. This commitment will not only help you avoid overspending, but also empower you to make informed financial decisions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances and achieving your financial goals. Number 3, cutting unnecessary expenses. Identifying and eliminating non-essential spending is a powerful way to improve your financial situation. Start by reviewing your subscriptions and recurring charges. Many people forget about services they no longer use, such as streaming platforms or gym memberships. Canceling these can free up extra cash each month without sacrificing much in your daily life. Next, consider practical tips for saving on groceries and entertainment. For groceries, try meal planning and creating a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Look for sales, use coupons, and consider buying in bulk for items you use frequently. When it comes to entertainment, explore free or low-cost options in your community, like local events or outdoor activities, instead of pricey outings. Remember, small savings can add up significantly over time. Cutting just a few dollars here and there can lead to hundreds saved annually, which can be redirected towards savings or debt repayment. By being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices, you can enhance your overall financial health and create a more secure future. Let's dive deeper into these strategies and start making impactful changes today. Number 4, increasing income streams. Boosting your income is a vital step toward achieving financial stability, and there are numerous ways to do it. One popular option is to explore side hustles, which can provide extra cash while allowing you to pursue your passions. Freelancing in areas like writing, graphic design, or web development can be lucrative, especially if you have skills that are in demand. Online tutoring is another great side hustle, allowing you to share your knowledge and help others while earning money on your own schedule. In addition to side hustles, don't overlook opportunities for career advancement within your current job. Seek promotions or take the initiative to negotiate your salary during performance reviews. Many employers are open to discussions about pay, especially if you can demonstrate your value to the team. Diversifying your income sources is crucial for long-term financial security. Relying solely on one paycheck can be risky, so having multiple streams of income can provide a safety net during tough times. By exploring these options, you can enhance your financial situation and work toward a more secure and prosperous future. Let's explore these ideas further and find the right fit for you. Number 5. Building an emergency fund. Having a financial safety net is essential for navigating life's unexpected challenges, and building an emergency fund is a crucial step in achieving that security. Even if you're on a tight budget, you can start saving for emergencies by setting aside a small amount each month. Consider automating your savings by transferring a fixed percentage of your income directly into a separate savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend that money. To stay motivated, set specific savings goals. For instance, aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Breaking this goal into smaller milestones can make it feel more achievable and rewarding as you reach each target. The peace of mind that comes with financial preparedness is invaluable. Knowing that you have funds available for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. An emergency fund not only protects you from financial setbacks, but also empowers you to make better decisions in your daily life. Let's explore how to effectively build this safety net and secure your financial future. Number 6, investing for the future. If you're looking to grow your wealth, understanding the basics of investing is essential. First, it's important to differentiate between saving and investing. Saving typically involves setting aside money for short-term goals or emergencies, while investing is about putting your money to work for long-term growth. Investments can generate returns over time, helping you build wealth more effectively than traditional savings accounts. For beginners, there are several accessible investment options to consider. Index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are popular choices because they offer diversification and typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds. These investment vehicles track a specific market index, allowing you to invest in a broad range of stocks or bonds with just one purchase. One of the most powerful reasons to start investing early is the benefit of compound interest. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to grow, as you earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the returns that accumulate over time. By taking these steps now, you can set yourself up for a more secure financial future. Let's dive deeper into these investment concepts and explore how to get started. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points we've discussed to help you improve your financial situation. We explored the importance of creating a realistic budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and increasing your income streams through side hustles or career advancement. We also highlighted the significance of building an emergency fund and the basics of investing for the future. Each of these actionable steps can lead you toward greater financial stability and security. Remember, the key to seeing results is taking immediate action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start implementing these strategies today. Whether it's setting up a budget, reviewing your subscriptions, or beginning to invest, every small step counts toward your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more financial tips and insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these strategies. Together, we can empower each other to achieve financial success and build a brighter future. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey toward financial wellness.